So, request lang ini.
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Pang freestyle lang.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Not knowing
Ay,
oneself,
burang
that's the
M5
worst.
ko. Ay ko palang na-on, sorry.
Knowing is not enough. We must
Ay,
apply.
Uranus, mapagaling eh.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Launch attack!
Everybody has to start somewhere. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
So, amin na guys, ang build ko. Warrior Boots. Sa attack kita. Golden Staff.
The man who can beat me has not
Endless
been born
Battle.
yet.
BOD, Blade of Despair. Tapos ada, Defense Tools kita. Immortality. And the last one is Malefic Roar.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. The man who can beat me has not been born yet. In the world of Kung Fu,
Enemy has been slain!
defines the winner.
Ay, sayang. Nag-atake sa Tori, low HP. Siga ba yarn? Ano yun, kita pa maka-emote. Sing crush mo ko, no?
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
An enemy has been slain!
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Padon na. Handle po
Knowing
agad
is
sa
not
daray
enough.
mo.
We must apply.
Bang!
You have slain an enemy! Ally has been slain!
Kudu jadi. Si Paul na to rin guys. Si Paul.
An enemy has been slain!
Everybody has to start
Sorry guys,
somewhere.
lain ako naka-freestyle. Prismatic ba kita?
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Ally has been slain!
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ally has been slain!
First build, Golden Staff.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Executed.
Wow.
Attack!
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Puno ng kontento. Matakot ka sa mga kasama mo ang AI.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Ang ganda niyan. Tigba ka. Patay. Gidan.
Ally has been slain.
Okay, siya na. Click lang guys.
Ally has been slain.
In the world of Kung Fu,
Enemy has been slain.
the man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Killing spree.
So guys, may ano na palang golden stop na kita.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Hagloko ng kamanana. Nang kikiyis ka sa haglok.
Slain.
Knowing is not enough.
Destroyed.
Pati turi inagaw.
Launch attack.
You gotta watch you.
Kung Fu. Speed defines it.
Ally has been slain.
Red. Kita nindo, freestyle.
Somewhere.
Freestyle, my man.
Destroyed a turret. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
So, wala nga na si Minotaur. Kaya ako nagdima tapos kibig sana.
Empty your cup in order to
Ala, may lister! Alay mo! Di tayo makakatapat dyan.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Oh,
Our turret has been destroyed.
rayo natin kay tigbak na ang tore. Nag-destroy na guys.
Not knowing oneself.
Okay ba yung
That's the
pagkita nyo guys? So, balik na ulit tayo sa ating line.
Killing spree.
So, level 8 kasi ako si ano, level 8 naman.
Request backup.
Pagod na pagod. Ano ang sinasabi mo? Tagala ba? Tang.
Mega kill.
Sayang guys, na kita nakaka-freestyle.
knowing oneself. That's the
Our
worst.
turret is under attack. Unstoppable.
Sunod naman ay endless battle.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Ito nagbarbaan siya daw.
Knowing is not enough.
Our turret is under attack. Team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Mega kill. Monster kill. Double kill.
Ano, Jay, nag-freestyle pa ako kay Tigril.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
So, may endless battle lang kita.
Spree.
BOD naman. Kung ngayon yun ang BOD, mag-ano lang kayo.
Man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Pwede. Blade of Heptasis.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Malas ako sa imo nana, matigba ka da.
In the world of kung fu,
Kapag matigba.
defines the winner.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tapos tela natin si Leslie. Ay, si Leslie kay sarong sita sa da.
That's the
Tigbak
worst.
na nga. Tapos tela natin si... No.
Mega kill.
Guys, tama na, tama na. Pagod na, pagod.
In the world of kung fu, speed defines the winner.
Baka guys malabo. Nasa natin.
Unstoppable.
Okay guys, nakakulamo si Nana na yun eh.
Under attack.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Siya to dito sinda sa taas. Mataas kita.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Pagod na ang katapusan ko ay matigbak si Uranus. So guys, mapagalo ni si Uranus kay tangke na.
He has not been born.
Oh my guys. Tangke si Uranus. Sorry na! Wala to lang yung BOD ko. Tigilaw ka mo.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Wala!
Our turret.
Nagralaw guys yun daw. Aratake si Balmont. Atake. What? Atake amin na to.
Slain. Unstoppable.
Ma-bleed of despair kita para kay ano.
Is under attack.
Para ini kay lain mo na kita ma-bleed of despair. Pag may Uranus kang kalaban, tank Hunter Sword ka ha.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Para pang matay lang ini kay Uranus. Pero magayon talaga para full damage ang ano. Yes. Ang BOD, Blade of Despair.
Your team
Ako hindi. Marami ka mo.
legendary.
Woo! Nice kills.
Somewhere.
Tangkila para lang kay Uranus.
Attack.
Sunod na build ay
Ally has been slain.
Immortality. Immortality. Oh, that. Padamunin ta guys. Dala.
Knowing is not enough.
Dala ka Minotaur.
Not knowing oneself.
Kadila Tigrel. Kabayan na dong.
Legendary.
Ako mabulig ako sa imo. So guys, nagagana nga na oh. Ang tank killer ko.
Legendary.
Aray mo. Paka. Kaya tignan ko na ito na sa Leslie. Oh, what you get do, mama kachups. Chup. Ito.
Legendary.
Ano yun? Ano, Jay?
Not been born yet. In the world of kung fu,
Recall kita kayo to si Balmont na nga-attack guys. 6-7.
Our encounter turret is under attack.
everybody has to start somewhere.
Sorry guys, wala ano freestyle. At least natigbak.
Under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gana kita dito guys. Ito ba yung sila sa taas? Kamu dito magpara ano? Sini-immortality kita. Sunod.
Initiate retreat.
Boxing is not a way to hurt
Malipit
somebody,
roar.
but in
Yung
order.
last natin na build.
Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has
Parayin sa indo dong. Ito. Tulusinda pa lang. Kala ko si Biksa na lang si Leste lang. Kaya ko man sinda.
Not
Kaya
knowing
suya
oneself,
to si
that's the worst.
Uranus man daw.
an enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Nang ilag ito para kay Jinjin. Para kay Jinjin. Magpapatalo tayo. Ultihan natin dida siya no.
In the world of kung fu, speed defines the winner. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Launch attack.
Patay! Patay ka na boy! Huwag ka lang dumulag! Ayam ko sa'yo makapagal mo tigbakon. Yan si Miss Layla lang.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Ally has been
Oh my god, nalito si Balmond. Mga katigba ka na tawa. Bawalin na Balmond. It's not good for people na magmatay. Ito nga palang people, or ka palang.
ally has been slain.
I am a human or a orc. Orc a whale.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Ito na si Balmond, tinatapos na niya. Okay lang na Balmond, okay na yun na. Kaya mo na yun na. Kita
Everybody has
po
to
yung
start
kusinda.
somewhere.
Legendary.
Baga sabi ko sa'yo mo. Trust me.
Our turret is under attack.
Gana na guys, gana na.
Victory.
Very good guys. Waiting girls. Oh, wala pa kita nakakabuild sing malipik roar. Pero nakapirang ano na kita oh. Hindi naka-full build na. Di ba lang kilang ini. May chocolate. Alam ko computer pero guys. Hard AI ina. Anong sunod? Ano na kapangit mo Brumon? Mas good kita.
I am vengeance incarnate.
So guys, yun na lang. Okay. Tapos na kita. Later. Huwag tayo mag-inspire. Makakusog man kita guys. Pag nag-level mga 8 kita. Kasi makusog na sa daan ng masigat ng basta. Sabad ni Muskob sing spare ni spare line spare. I'll spare my life for you then. Para maliwanag man.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Ay, buang lang kita da.
Smash them.
Di kita na line.
All troops deployed.
Fueled by hatred, I will reforge the glory
Hindi na ako makakita mayad. Oh,
your hatred. I will bear all of it. Death brings silence.
First blood. Ally has been. You have slain an enemy.
ini talaga sinano na yun. So guys, ang build natin sa movement. Hindi na lang gagamitin natin.
Bring our forgotten
Gamitin natin ang
history
build ni site.
to life.
Movement speed. Movement speed.